This is the MTA-1 two-stroke. The MTA-1s are extremely common in pocket bikes, pocket quads, and pocket scooters. They are two-stroke and quite a reliable little engine. They're pretty peppy, and with the right upgrades they can be very reliable. On average you mix these about 32 to 1. As you can see in front of me, there are quite a number of parts. Our parts are definitely designed to improve the reliability. The plastic recoils, for example, they hold up for a while, but if you're very aggressive pulling over, you'll tear it apart. The alloy upgrade is definitely what you want to put on it. If you're a heavier rider or an aggressive rider, you're definitely going to want to upgrade the clutch. We sell a fully adjustable clutch for it. We do sell quality replacement coils, and as you can tell with this one, it already has the upgraded bell housing on it. They do use the smallest chain available, and our chain link pack will get you the right one you need. As I mentioned, they are quite reliable and pretty fun little engine.